Hello everyone, I'm Blair. Today I'll walk you through the Daily Profit Planner and why it's not just another digital planner. It feels like opening a daily paper from a magical world, except this time, it's designed for your real life. It's beautifully detailed, fully hyperlinked on every page, so everything is easy to navigate. But the real magic is that it's fully customizable. In just a few minutes, you can make it completely your own. So let me show you how it all works, from setup to walkthrough. Let's begin. Once you've completed your purchase, you'll immediately receive a download library. Tap Share to import it into your note-taking app, then switch to Read mode. In this library, you can download the planner itself, along with the stickers, covers, and app icons I prepared. I've also included some layout and color inspiration, so you can come back here anytime while you're using the planner. And if you ever need help, you can contact me directly from this page. So now, let's click Download Planner, and go to the page where you can customize your planner. You'll be taken to a self-service page, where you can customize your planner step by step. Let's get started. First, you can choose your calendar integration, Apple Calendar or Google Calendar. Once it's set up, it picks up your current time automatically and adds the event straight to your calendar. Next, you'll pick your start day. This applies to the entire planner. You can choose Sunday or Monday. I'll go with Sunday for this setup. Next, let's look at the weekly layouts. The first option is a clean, minimal weekly overview. The second one is this newspaper-style weekly dashboard. It really brings out the magical vibe of the planner. For now, I'll choose the weekly overview, just as an example. Next, you can choose whether to add daily pages. You can add them or skip them. Both work, and it really depends on how you like to plan. Here, I'll add daily pages. Once everything is selected, we click Download. In about 5 seconds, your planner is automatically generated, based on your choices, and downloaded to your device. Then you can import it into GoodNotes or Notability. If you're using another note-taking app, that works too. And once it's imported, you can start using it right away. One thing I want to point out, this customization page isn't one time. You can come back anytime. Change your options or layout, and generate a new version of your planner. It's fast. And there's no need to purchase again. Next, let's take a look at the navigation and hyperlinks in this planner. Every page in this planner is clickable. You can tap with your finger, or switch to read mode and use your pen. With one tap, you can jump straight to where you want to go. I've also included a visual guide that shows where the hyperlinks are. So even if this is your first digital planner, you'll get the hang of it very quickly. Now you know how to navigate it. Let's take a closer look at the planner itself, so you can see what's inside, and how you might use it in real life. The entire planner is divided into 3 very clear sections. I'll go through them one by one. The first section is all about your year, from big picture planning to personal growth and reflection. Take the vision board, for example. You can add photos. Write down what you hope for this year. Pause for a moment and imagine what it could look like, and really make 2026 feel like your best year. You can also use the yearly trackers to reflect on your year, build small habits, and grow at your own pace. There are also a few designs I'm really proud of, like the Quidditch challenge and the Gringo's savings pages. They bring such a magical touch to the planner, and honestly, they make me want to open it and write something every single day. The second section is your everyday planning, the part you'll probably use the most. It starts with your monthly view, a place to reset, refocus, and shape the rhythm of your month. You can see everything at a glance, and gently decide what really matters right now. Then comes your weekly layout. This is where things become more detailed. Your schedule, your priorities. It's also where your habits come into play. A simple way to stay consistent and actually move things forward. And for the days that need a little more space, there are daily pages as well. They're completely optional. Use them whenever you want to slow down, or give a day a little extra attention. Everything here is designed to feel effortless, so even a few quick notes already look beautiful on the page. If you want more flexibility, this is where the third section comes in, the flexible pages. You'll find blank, dotted, grid, and ruled formats. Just pick what suits you. There's also a full set of plan and review pages. You can drop in anytime. And some lifestyle pages too, like mood tracker, gratitude log, dreams log, recipes card, and even undated daily pages. All you need to do is select the page you want, copy it, and paste it wherever you like. It will naturally flow right after your weekly plan. Overall, this planner is both complete and flexible. And more than that, it feels like a ritual, something you'll grow to love more and more over time. Now that you've seen the core structure, let's look at a few optional features, starting with calendar integration. It's completely optional. The planner works beautifully on its own. But if you'd like that extra convenience, here's how it works. If you're using Google Calendar, there's nothing you need to install. You can use the calendar jump right away. If you're using Apple Calendar, you'll need to install a shortcut first, to make sure the calendar integration works smoothly. For the shortcut installation, just make sure private sharing is turned on. This setting is only needed for the installation. Once everything is set up, you can turn it off again if you like. Now let's go back to the download page, and tap Download Shortcut. The installation steps will pop up automatically. You just need to follow the prompts on screen. During setup, you can choose the note-taking app you usually use, like GoodNotes or Notability. Once you've made your selection, tap Save, and the shortcut is installed. Whenever you need it, just tap the calendar integration button. It automatically picks up your current date and time. You can freely add events and adjust the time as needed. If you want to add a reminder, you can set an alert right here as well. Everything happens in one place, in one flow. You don't have to choose between Apple or Google Calendar each time. It's designed to save a bit of mental energy. Let's keep things simple. Next, let's talk about the bonus stickers. In addition to the daily profit style stickers, you'll also find everyday functional stickers. And I even designed some realistic sticky note styles. You can download them with one click. Tap Download. Open it from the top right corner. Unzip the file. And import them straight into your note-taking app. Let me share a quick little tip for importing them into Elements. Just go into Split Screen and open your note-taking app alongside the Files app. Create a new Elements collection, so everything stays organized. Then select all the stickers at once. And simply drag them right in. You'll see them drop straight into your Elements panel. And that's it. Now they're ready to use anytime. Then you can start decorating your pages. A little layering here and there, and the page begins to feel alive. You don't need a lot, even just a few small details can completely change the atmosphere. I also designed a set of exclusive covers and matching home screen icons. Just download the cover pack and import it like we did earlier. Share the cover pack to your note-taking app. I designed 4 cover styles. The first one is the original edition. It's ultra high resolution, even in print. Then there's the newspaper print edition, with that textured vintage feel, almost like you're holding a real printed paper. The third one is the 𝗷𝗵𝗽𝗁 edition, inspired by magical deliveries and hand-wrapped parcels. It feels like something special just arrived for you. And finally, there's a custom portrait edition where you can add your own photo and make the front page completely personal. Just pick the one you love. Copy it. Paste it over the first page. and your cover is instantly transformed. And now, let's add a little secret entrance to your planner. First, rename your planner. Just something you can easily recognize. Then open the Shortcuts app. Create a new shortcut. Search for Open Document. And select your planner file. Add a nothing action. Turn off Show When Run. And rename the shortcut. The name here will be the one that appears on your home screen. Tap the information icon. Choose Add to Home Screen. Replace the icon with the one you like. And add it. You can move it anywhere you want. And now look at this. Doesn't it feel like your own little magical portal? If you ever want a little more inspiration, you can always head back to the library page. I've added layout ideas and styling inspiration there, so you can revisit it anytime while you're using the planner. And if you ever run into any questions, you can always reach out to me directly. So that's the full setup and walkthrough of this planner. I'd love to know which design is your favorite. Which pages are you most excited to use? Let me know in the comments. I update my freebie vault twice a month. Feel free to download anytime. I'll continue sharing planning inspiration and real-life examples here, so subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thank you for watching. I'm Blair. See you in the next video.